Hello everyone, it's me Beata from horoscopesandreadings.com, and now I am coming at you with your monthly forecast for November. So in case you have your sun sign in Sagittarius or your rising sign in Sagittarius, then this video is for you. So let's check it out. First thing I would like to tell you is that Sagittarius people are very optimistic people, and in November this feature will be even strengthened in you. Okay, so you will be even more optimistic than you are used to be. I have to say that November can be very nice month for you, and now I will explain why. Obviously, there will be a lucky star in your life in November, so many problems may be overcome by luck. Yes, in case you find yourself in trouble, for example in work or with your family, friends, with your life partner, you can count on luck this time. Yes, we all have some periods of life which are easier, and we can count on lucky star, and this is one of those for you in November. Of course, it can be applicable for many things. Yes, you don't have to be in trouble to use your luck, but you can start something new, something maybe you have been longing for but didn't have courage to do it. So do it now, do it in November. Yes, if you want to start your own business, if you want to change your job or things like that, do it in November because there are great chances that it will succeed well for you. Okay, when it comes to your work or even your studies, in case you are a student, you will study more in November, but it will go effortlessly for you. Yes, you will not be tired, after all day of studies or things like that. It will be okay. You can even pass your exams if you have any in November. And when it comes to your job, I would like to tell you that use your mouth more. Yes, because now or in November you will really have great ideas, but you just have to make sure that you are heard. Okay, so you really have to make that impact on people and tell them what's on your mind. Yes, because you really have some things to say which are important and which can even improve your workplace. Okay, so I'm done with this video. I hope you like it. If you do, you can subscribe to my channel, you can share this video with your friends, you can like it, you can post your comments below. I just wanted to tell you that this forecast is based only on your sun sign. That means that it is very general, so take it so. But if you want to reveal future for you, I can prepare for you your own personal reading, which is based on your personal data. Okay, so I'm done here, and have a nice month. Bye bye.